awful stepdaughter almost got me arrested because she thought it would be funny. So I flipped out and canceled the wedding. I got engaged to my fiancée about 3 months ago. We've been dating for almost 3 years and she has 2 kids from a previous relationship. I get along really well with the 12-year-old boy, but I have always struggled to build a relationship with my soon-to-be stepdaughter, Riley. She has made it very clear to me, my fiancé, and her bio dad that she doesn't view me as a parent and doesn't want me to try and be a father to her because she already has one. I was okay with that as I didn't want to force myself into her life. But deep inside, I am hoping that she will accept me soon. Anyway, a few days ago my fiancée sent me a text asking me if I could pick up Riley from school because she had something come up at work that was going to keep her late. My fiancée usually picks up Riley once a week and brings her to a chiropractic appointment to help with a sports injury Riley got. She told me she would call the school to let them know that I would be picking Riley up because I wasn't on the approved pickup list yet. However, when I got to Riley's school, it quickly became apparent that my fiancé forgot to call the school. The school has locked doors that require you to have a code or be buzzed in by the office. I buzzed into the office to let them know I was there to pick up Riley and that my fiancé should have called to let them know. They didn't know anything about it. I was left waiting outside for 5 to 10 minutes while they figured it out. I tried calling and texting my fiancé but she didn't answer. Then, an actual uniformed cop came out and told me that I would have to leave and that if I refused then he would arrest me for trespassing. I tried talking with him, but he kept saying I was not authorized to be on school property and had to leave. I had no choice but to leave without Riley. Finally, an hour later, my fiancé called me back. I explained what happened and she apologized for forgetting to call the school because she got distracted with work. She told me she would figure it out and meet me at home. When she and Riley got home, Riley went straight to her room. My fiancé sat me down and told me that Riley had lied to the office and told them she didn't know who I was and had never seen me before. She thought it would be funny. She told me she explained to Riley how dangerous that was and was going to work with Riley's dad to figure out a punishment. I did not take that news well. I admit I did raise my voice to her. I didn't yell, but I did get louder than I usually talk. She told me to calm down and I told her that I wouldn't calm down because her daughter almost got me arrested. Not to mention that she thought it would be funny. I told her that she was just as responsible for this as Riley because she didn't call the school and it put me in a position where I looked like a creep or predator. My fiancé thinks I am overreacting and that I need to let her and Riley's dad handle this. I packed my things and told her that I needed time to think about our marriage since she thought that what her daughter did was okay. Since then, she has been texting me nonstop saying that Riley is just a child